Okay, so here's my Arduino based Christmas gift from my mother. I didn't get it completely done before Christmas, but she was thrilled with the way it is nonetheless. Um, 3 circuit boards. Um, I had I did all the designing, programming, board etching. Um, Nothing was cut, copied, pasted, duplicated. Um, Runs off a 12-volt wall adapter. Uh, Power switch is here. Wall adapter input. There's this is a power supply board. Um, it puts out regulated 9 and 5 volt. Uh, 9, well actually it's about 8.5 to the charging circuit. This battery pack, it's a 4 AA battery backup. It will run the entire clock for a short period of time, but it's mainly just for brownouts so that the CPU doesn't reset. Uh, this is the mini motherboard with the Arduino integrated, so it can be pulled out, just plug and play, or if I need to reprogram it, I just shut the machine down and I don't have to remove it from the PCB. I can connect it directly to the computer. I'm doing the backup battery on the backup battery on the VN on the Arduino, but I found by using the USB and going through the Arduino's voltage regulator, um, things tend to work better. Especially, it got rid of some of the jerkiness in the servo. I also had to I added one enormous capacitor across the power supply, and that helped too. And I also used ferrite rings around the signal wires to get rid of any noise. Um, I'll turn this around in a second. I had intended to run everything off of one serial cable, but I ended up needing a power line, so I just fabricated. I may put some more twists, some more plastic ties here. But anyway, this extra pin was needed to power the motor, and I need to put it back on. Anyway, the entire system runs off the acrylic case. Can't see in the dark here. It's not. There we go. So anyway, just a DB9 going to this mini motherboard, and then here's the front of it. Still calibrating the temperature sensor, so it gives you the time and day, and it reads the room temperature. That's the digital portion of it. This is hinged, goes on the back, so you reach back behind to set your day, hour, minute. Every time it advances a minute, the servo inside advances 6 degrees, like that. And since the servo only goes 180 degrees, there's an arm in there, and there's an LED at both ends. So it'll rewind at 30 minutes and light the other LED, like so. And now I can get the other 30 minutes. The hours behind the custom-made face are lit up by blue LEDs, and every hour just advances to the next hour. At the top of every hour, It doesn't do it when you there's a LED animation, but it doesn't do the animation when you're manually setting the time. But when it does turn over a new hour, the LEDs chase each other. They all light up, and they do a little chase sequence. And then, like, if it was approaching 5 o'clock, if it was 4:59, turned over, these would all light, chase each other, and then it would stop at 5 and turn over to the new hour. But that's 3 month project. I wanted a one of a kind Christmas gift, and yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Practically done. Just got to tighten up a few screws. And no, I'm not making another one. This one was for my mother, very special. So they make one similar, but nah.